I am Nurul Aina binti Abdul Halim.
I am Nur Amira Syahirah binti Zaidi.
I am Nur Sofia binti Muhammad Kusaini.
For the introduction of Opac, Online Public Access Catalog or Opac, or frequently synonymous with Library Catalog and Online Catalog, is an online database of materials held by a library. Opac is a catalog of a library's collection that is open and accessible to the public through the internet. The library catalog provides users a platform to search and locate books and other materials available at the library. It lists the number of the items, whether they are in the library or out on loan, and their call number. Library Opac allows users to search for all types of items in the library collection easily and view or renew items checked out by user, status of user account cancel, the hold by using user account. Therefore, user can create something new, such as modern technologies and discoveries.
I will show you the step on how to use basic search in Opac. First, the user need to open the browser and type UiTM Kelantan Library and click the website. It will appear this is the interface of PTA, which is Perpustakaan Tengku Anis Library website. Then, click our collection. At the physical collection, click Opac. Then, we can log in to the web Opac by filling up the user ID, password and UiTM branch and clicking the button Submit. But if the user does not have an ID number or the user is an outsider from UiTM, the user can click on Continue as a guest. Key in the keyword that user want to search. For example, I search the word library management. Then, choose the location of campus UiTM. I choose the UiTM campus in Machang. Next, choose the database that the user want to choose, such as article data, books, e-books data, journal data, and all database. I choose books. Choose if the user wants to connect the keywords as or, and, or phrase. I choose phrase because the keyword that I search for are in one phrase. For the field, there are 15 fields for the user to choose. In which field you are going to choose to search for the keywords. I choose a title. Key in the year of the books if you know when the books were published. Choose in what order you want the books to appear. For example, I choose title, so it is easy for me to look up the books. Lastly, click on the Go button and wait for the result. Find the book you search for and click the book. For example, I choose the book Learn Library Management. As we can see, there is more information about books such as ISBN, cataloging sources, call number and more. Then, we can search for the book in the library by looking at the call number of the book. So, for this book, the call number is Z678P962000. Then we can copy and use the call number to find the book on the shelf, so it will make it easier to find the book. Therefore, we are done finding a book using a basic search in Opac.
Next, advanced search. So, advanced search is useful when users need to use more than one search term or need more detailed search options that does offer in basic search.
Okay, now I will show the steps on how to use advanced search in Opac. Okay, first, repeat the first step like the basic search. Users needs to search the website PTA, Perpustakaan Tengku Anis UiTM Kelantan. Then, open the PTA website. Then click our collection. Next, open the Opac. Okay, next, we can log in to the web Opac by filling up the user ID, password, and UITM branch. And click the button Submit. At the bottom of the web, click Advanced. So this is what advanced search looks like. It is more specific and has a lot of information about the material we are looking for, and we can fill up in these search options. First, we can key in the keywords that the users want to search, but for advanced search, we can key in more than one keyword. Okay, for example, I search Learn Library Management. The word I search for is the title of the book. Next, there are three options for connect as, which are or and praise. So I will choose a praise because the keywords that I search for is the title of the book, so it is one praise. Then in the field section, I choose the title because the keyword are the title of the book. After that, or and not. These three we call Boolean operators. Boolean operators connect the search keywords together to either narrow or broaden our set of results. So I choose and it is the same as the others. Okay, besides this, we can fill out the filters of the material we search for. It is more detailed and easy for users to find the materials. First is sub-location, where we choose the campus Machang, then the document type. There are two types of document, which are books and BS books. And I choose all for easy to me to find the material. Then, user can fill up the publishing year if the user knows when the book is published. And then users can choose the search to arrange by what. Then item category. Users can select the category of the item that users search for. Then select the database that users search for. I choose the book because I search for a book. Then select the language. I select English. And then lastly, SMD. SMD is the short form of specific material designation. So the user can select the SMD if the user knows what the material used. And then click. So we are done, and click the go button. Okay. So there are two books that I search for, so I click this. So there are a lot of information about the book, such as ISBN number, category, source, language, code, number, and so how we want to find the material in the library. So we can copy and use the call number to find the books on the shelf, so it will make user easier to find the book. Therefore, we are done finding a book using the advanced search in Opac. Easy, right?
By using a call number, we can easily find our book on the shelves. So the call number of the book I search for is 6678.P6962000. My call number starts with the alphabet Z, so it must be on the back shelf. Let's find it. Okay, I have found it. This shows that on this shelf, all the call number of the books start with alphabet Z. So I will find my book on this shelf. Yeah, I find it. This is the book I searched for in Opac, which is Learn Library Management by Bob Pim. Easy, right, using Opac to search our book?
Conclusion is clearly we can see that using Opac can ease user to find information about your research. Every information that user need is directly from database, and they also can know any information about book in the library through Opac. The Opac will filter the details of the information provided by the user and will quickly find the book or information that the user wants. The information provided must also be accurate and correct, so that the information provided is also accurate and correct.